going to show you inside the LAKAN Villa. We are a big family this time, kaya we chose the bigger rooms, the bigger villas. You will see that we have already featured here the Nara Pool Villa, the Garden Villa, Mahogany Luxury Villa, and the Sulu Terrace. So when you go check out our videos, you'll be able to see what the villas look like inside. Let's go inside. Nag-enter tayo dito sa side entrance nila, but actually there is a main entrance there na pwede ang sarili nyong cars. There is a driveway. Welcome to LAKAN! Come in! So, ang difference nito from Mahogany Luxury Villa, it has a higher ceiling. This one, it's more masculine yung itsura. Mas ma-wood siya talaga. And then we have two separate rooms here, which actually gives you more privacy in that sense because meron tayong mga sliding doors here that will lead you to the first master's bedroom and the 0.5 na bedroom. The room has a double bed and has its own bathroom. And then this is the master's bathroom. Shower is here, and there's an access here from the bedroom, but let's go from the main. Dalawa yung access niya. So dito naman tayo. We hope you're enjoying the Sevilla 3P room tours. We will always take you with us. Now we will be going back to the main area, the living area.
So, ito yung pool. So, mas malaki ito kaysa dun sa Mahogany Luxury. Pero maganda rin yung pool doon. Pero ito, mas malaki siya dito. Ito, heated to, I think. So, dito meron, pag kinuha mo yung LAKAN, meron ka mga alaga dito, mga koi fish. Ayan.
So from the entrance to your left side, this is the other master's bedroom. So the LAKAN Villa, if you will remember our first video, if you haven't seen it, one of the staff here, Grayson, said that this is a 2.5 bedroom villa. So 2 master's bedroom and one single room. Now, this is the other master bedroom. Very nice because it's high ceiling, so hindi mo feel na masyadong kulob. Let's take a look inside. Yes, the master's bathroom as well. Okay, what else do you want to see? Basically, that's it. If you are a big family, a family of let's say 4 or 5, even 6, actually 8, pwede dito. You just have to pay for the extra
Guest fee.
Yes, thanks that. I'm not sure, but around 3,000 to 3,500 pesos plus per additional person. You can just add an extra bed here because we don't have a lot of big rooms here, diba? Mostly pang couple or pang small family. But if you are a big family, this is a good idea. This is the best villa to stay in.
Subscribe to our channel
for more Sevilla trips.
Yeah.